been a feminist for almost as long as I've been a poet. And I imagined that what would happen was that my early feminist poetry would become irrelevant. This has not happened. So this is a really a poem from like 20 years ago, and I'm really depressed that it's still relevant. They came out of the doll's house. It's called Out of the Doll's House. They came out of the doll's house crying, "Why be a wife?" They came out of the kitchen and said there must be more to life. They counted up statistics, burned their bras, wiped off their lipstick. Some took courses, some found G-spots, others ceased to shave their legs. Still others went for therapy to straighten out their heads. Yes, there was discussion and debating, reclamation, reinstating, self-discovery, recovery as they forged along the path, learning how to be assertive in their masturbation class. Now, there's women in the cabinet, and there's women in the church, in the medical profession, and the law, for what it's worth. Her story has come out in print, both hard and paperback. And when they make the movie, well, that's gonna be a crack. Because some of us are waiting for our power shoulder pads to make us liberated, like the women in the ads. Some of us are waiting for someone to do something for the poor girls and the fat girls and the junkies and the whores and the mums in bed and breakfast and wet. Need I say more? It seems that our sisters in the movement have left behind their roots, gone off to have careers. They're given Shaz and Trace the boot because they still wear white stilettos and they have too many kids. They like to watch EastEnders, and that's the way it is, because some of us are cleaners and some of us are wives. Some of us work in Tesco's. Many women spend their lives making ends meet, making sure the kids eat, putting shoes on their feet, just keeping order, just taking care because it needs to be done, because nobody's there to take any notice or light up the sky, because it's not an achievement to simply get by. So, those of us on the front line just slip through the net. We haven't got wages for housework just yet. You can with a Nissan, but can you without? Textbook feminism never did have a crowd. It takes more than an orgasm, and more than a vote, and more than a salary. So sisters, take note, there may have been changes, but it ain't no great shakes, while there's still battered women and Brexit date rapes. Those of us in nightclubs are dancing in pubs. Girls in Doc Martens are out in clubs, but there's millions more in the shops and estates, in the laundrettes, the play parks outside the school gates. Invisible women. We really are there. When they listen to us, we might get somewhere. Thank you. Woo! I'm on Facebook and Instagram, and